Hi, what can I get for you today?
I'll have a bacon jalapeno grilled chicken combo with a Coke.
You want that in a small, medium, or large?
Large, please.
Anything else I can get for you?
6-piece spicy nuggets with barbecue sauce.
Gotcha. Will that be all for you today?
That'll be all.
11:27. Second one up. Thank you.
Thank you.
11:27.
I got more. 11:27?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have a receipt, please? Thank you.
Hi there.
Hi.
There you go.
Thank
There
you.
you go. You're all
Thank
set.
you very much. Yeah, that's right. Let's do this. Hi, welcome to Jamie's Product Reviews. Tracy's very own food product reviewer. I'm at Wendy's on the east side of Geneva, and I'm going to try something that's been out for a little while, but I just now got around to it because there's been other things to review first. But if you recall, a while back I reviewed the bacon jalapeno cheeseburger, I believe it is, but now it's the chicken version. You got your choice of a crispy version or the grilled chicken version. I went with the grilled chicken version, and there's stuff falling out. I better prepare myself for this. I better bid myself like a little toddler. Okay. See, this has grilled onion rings, jalapenos, and the grilled chicken. Oh, and it's got some bacon on it, so it's got a lot going on here, so let's not waste any time. Oh yes. Yeah, this is wonderful. It's hot and fresh, and the grilled chicken is soft, tender, and see, there's some heat built up in this. This is supposed to be spicy. Well, I'm not experiencing a lot of heat buildup, but I'm sure experiencing a lot of flavor buildup. The sauces are very flavorful. As I said, the chicken is, it's tender, it's flavorful, it's juicy. Oh, here's a piece of grilled chicken right here. Wendy's always does chicken right, whether it's crispy or grilled or whatever. My complaint about this is that there's not enough heat buildup for something that's supposed to be supposed to have jalapenos on it. It's supposed to be spicy, but the flavors are good enough for me. I will get this again and again. So I do have to take off a little bit because of the lack of spiciness. I mean, come on, it's got jalapenos on it. It's supposed to spice it. So I'm going to give it a high 4 out of 5 for the flavors alone. And that's my review, and I'll see you next time. Bye. share, subscribe, and comment, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you at the next video. Bye bye. I must have stopped the dog from jumping right out the window. Sit. Can you get up there? Get up there. It's too busy worrying about that mud. Nice signal. Doesn't anybody in Geneva know how to signal? Or anywhere for that matter?